To import your Challonge Tournaments into a bracket league, head to your bracket account and choose the league which you'd like to work on. This video will look at the Texas circuit. Click League Tournaments, then Import from Others APIs. Choose Challonge.com. Look up your API key from your own Challonge account by going to your account Challonge settings and clicking on Developer API. This is a security feature of your own account and should not be shared with anyone else. The tournament ID is the last portion of the URL when you go to your Challonge tournament main page. The community subdomain for WBO tournaments is World Beyblade, all one word. If you're part of another community, contact your community leader for the subdomain details. If you're using tournaments tied to your personal Challonge only, you can leave this box blank. Currently for the Texas circuit, all ranked tournaments are entered with 100% weight. If you have other admins in your league that you want to be able to make edits if needed, make sure to click Inherit League Admins or enter specific admins' usernames. Click Save and import players into League. At the bottom of the page, change the rows to make sure all of your players are included on one page if you have more than 20 participants. Once all players appear, click Select All. Review your player names. If you notice that someone who should already be listed as a player is showing as Add New Player, review the spelling of the name and select them if they already exist. If you did have to fix the name, I recommend returning to your Challonge now to fix the name spelling there because it means that it will be incorrect on Challonge 2. I will add steps into the end of this video to show how to do just that. Once all names are selected, hit Save and reload. Wait for it to process. Then you should see an exclamation point appear next to League Ranking, meaning it is ready for an update. Click on League Ranking, click Update, and wait for it to process. If you have multiple rankings to update, you can select Update All, but this takes a few minutes to process. Once it's all processed, you'll see arrows showing who moved up or down the rankings since your last update. If you do accidentally create a new player, you can merge players together. Go to League Players, click Merge, and in the top box, enter the correct spelling of the player name. In the bottom box, enter the one that was the incorrect spelling and merge them together. Then your player list will update to remove the duplicate entry. If you just have a couple of administrators who are doing entries for a whole bunch of other hosts, like we do here in Texas, you can create something like a Google Sheet where they can input all of their information, and then your admins can go through and mark off if they've updated it into bracket. We've found this really helpful. So for the Challonge name changes, it's important to make sure your name spelling for WBO tournaments matches the player's WBO name exactly in order for their WBO seeding and ranks to update properly. To fix names on Challonge, go to your tournament, select Settings, scroll down to Advanced Options, click on Reset or Delete, then reopen the tournament. This will allow you to make corrections. This allows you to make those corrections without losing any already entered scores, but any incorrect name fixed after matches have already started means the seeding wasn't right for the matches, and the tournament should now be considered unranked for WBO. Once the tournament is reopened, go to your participant list and the little person symbol to substitute the name with the correct name. For people who didn't make it into the top ranks, you'll need to press the power symbol to reactivate them first before you can substitute.